Okay, this is my exercise snack number one. It's the first snack I have in the morning. I showed it to you in the last video. I do this after I make my bed, and the only thing you need to use is just, I like having one of these cushiony exercise pads. I don't even know if that's formally what this is. Anything that has some cushion to it. You just find something that's got some cushion to it. It could even be a blanket or something of that nature. The other thing that works pretty well is a rolled up mat. One of those cushiony mats that you use for the shower. You can, if you've got one of those, you can roll that up. Okay, so I've got my mat and I've got my phone. Now I'm going to kick off my slippers. And this is an exercise snack that I want you guys to consume along with me. So why do I need my phone, you ask? Well, because I use it for my timer. So I get down on the floor. I keep this underneath my bed, and when it's time to do this, after I make my bed, I pull it out, and then I say, hey Siri, set timer for 1 minute. Do it along with me, you guys.
Is it burning yet?
A little bit. And you know how you can really tell that you are putting your body under some stress? And that is, by the time I get finished, I think I have raised my body temperature by at least 5 to 10 degrees. Because when I get finished, I am really hot. Now, the beauty of this is I don't need any special exercise clothing. I can do it when I'm fully dressed like I am right now. I can do it in my pajamas. I can do it in my underwear if I so choose. Yeah. But it works really well. That's just for 1 minute. Now, if you can't do 1 minute, then start out at 30 seconds. Start out at 20 seconds. Start out at 10 seconds. Just do as much as you can, and then slowly you can build up your time. Now, the next thing I do, which I have already showed you, but this is a good exercise snack, and this I cheat. So I try to do at least 12 to 15 push-ups every morning, but I don't do it in a completely prone position. Again, try doing this along with me. I do it with my legs bent like this. Notice that now this squishy pad is underneath my knees. And then I end up, I probably changed my audio, but I end up in a child's pose. So that is just a first little mini snack you can do for the day. If I wasn't really trying not to sound out of breath, I definitely would be pretty out of breath. So that is your first snack throughout the day, or the first snack of the day. And it's right here that I then go and have my second cup of coffee afterwards, because I can then kind of reward myself. Okay, when we come right back, I'm going to show you another exercise snack and how I kind of partition them throughout the day. And if you find this helpful, if you find it motivating, then please share it with others who might find it motivating as well. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification buttons, give us a thumbs up, a like, a follow, but more importantly, share it with somebody who might want to take their exercise in small doses.